All right, here we are in the buffet area. As I told you, it's already 9:15, well, 8:15, and it's less and less people as the week goes on. Bright and early in the morning, guess who I found? We're in the ship is Chris. Where are we, Chris?
We're eating breakfast. Where the hell that is?
It's in the buffet, Chris.
I'm feeling better.
Well, you look a little better than you did yesterday.
Today, more yesterday. We will see you again.
I'm sure we will, Chris.
Okay.
So this is another adventure of Where in the Ship is Chris? Got burger. I got chopsticks, if you can hear me.
Once in a while a man comes around.
Just sitting out here at Serenity. Beautiful day. Deck 9 aft here on the Carnival Pride. Come through the buffet area and you will find Serenity. Here we are with Robert. This is Robert. Oh, I'm sorry, this is Robert. And this is Tammy.
Hello.
And Tammy, go ahead and tell them what you're going through.
Well, I am a cancer survivor, and I am currently dealing with a new cancer. So,
And you know what? Cancer does what?
It sucks.
Sucks.
But I have cancer. It does not have me.
Right. But here's the deal with Tammy. She lives every day, has fun every day.
I do.
Right, Robert? Now, don't make Robert mad.
She's
Now,
way too
please
much
don't
fun
make
for my
Robert
liking.
mad. Yeah. But that's the cool part, right? And what's your favorite YouTube channel? I just told you, Tammy.
It's
Party of Two.
Party of two.
Cruising.
Party of two cruising.
Or just move your mouth and I'll say it.
Ready?
Party of two cruising.
All right, seas have calmed down and we are flying. We're going faster than you think. Follow a wave and watch how fast it goes away. We're moving along. We're still way south of Grand Cayman and we only got one day to get home. Doesn't get more beautiful than that right there. As you can see, it's dinner time. Max got the spaghetti carbonara as an appetizer. I got the shrimp cocktail, the blackened pork tart, and a Caesar salad. Max got the prime rib, medium, spaghetti carbonara, now the meal portion. And I'm starting off with the spaghetti carbonara meal portion, and then I should have a lobster coming soon. My last entree, lobster. Already out of the shell. Somehow the lobster escaped out of the shell. Advice to you is, if you come on Carnival and you order the lobster, get you another dish to go with it, because that is not gonna fill me up. Max got ice cream, vanilla, shocker there. And I got a banana split without the banana. They said the bananas all went bad. So no more banana splits. Very late. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning, and today was the next to the last C day. Tomorrow is the last C day. That'll be 8 of 8. And tonight it's late, and we have to push the clocks ahead an hour. I've never seen this done on Carnival ever before, just going through the Caribbean. But anyway, so today was kind of a lazy day again. Lay by the pool I didn't lay by the pool, sat by the pool for a little bit. And so not much video as you saw, because there wasn't a lot to do. Dinner and a couple of shows. We went to 2 comedy shows. Played in the casino for a little bit. Still down. But anyway, so I'm gonna go to bed. And again, tomorrow, last sea day. And then I'll talk about the renovations that are gonna happen to this ship. Some changes that are going to happen when it goes overseas. Alrighty, I'm going night-night. Talk to y'all later.